Humans love control. I can't even control the weather. The light keeps changing here all the time. But back to the subject. We like to control the other. We like to control systems. We like to control nature. But we can't control nature. Nature is rebellious, is free, is imperfectly. Imperfectly? Is that the right word? Imperfect. But imperfectly perfect. So, humans can only control nature through lots of destruction, and also control the other through lots of destruction. All systems are flawed. They're all imperfect, but we pretend that they are functioning perfectly. Back to the subject of nature. Nature, humans, nature. The human nature of humans. Yes, the human nature of humans is imperfect, is rebellious, just like nature. You can only control by shoving lots of destruction. There you go, here comes the light again. Light goes up, light goes down. Nature, the weather, we want to control the weather. Can't control the weather. It's about being flexible. It's about move with the groove. Move with the groove, baby. So, this is my message for today. Let's not try to control. Let's flow with the groove and trust nature. Because every time humans try to control nature, nature comes and devastates everything, destroys everything, and starts over. That's just how it is. And it's the same with human nature. You try to control humans, and you can only do just a little bit, and then comes the entire destruction. Because it's our nature also to be free and to be rebellious. It's not about control, it's about flow.